Do you want this amazing messenger chat in your website? Do you want your customers to be able to contact you easily? Then wait no further. Hi guys, welcome to another video here on Awesome Chatbots. Today, I will be teaching you how to add a customer chat growth tool in your website. This is an amazing feature because it helps your customers communicate with you directly from the website. Okay, so let's start with it. So I'll assume that you already have a Manychat account. If not, you can click the link above in this video to go to our tutorial on how to create your first bot. So once you are in your Manychat account, you'll have to go on Growth Tools and let's create new growth tool and let's select here customer chat. Okay, so let's name this growth tool website chat. And after that, you can select here the opt-in message for this growth tool. This is the message that they will receive once they open up the chat box on your website. So instead of editing this flow, let's just replace this with the welcome message that we have with our chatbot. So for that, people will receive the welcome message just like how they will receive it in Facebook when they hit us up on Messenger. So let's find here the welcome message. Welcome message, and let's select that. Okay, so you can also subscribe them to a sequence, but we'll not do that for now. Let's click next. So this part will be a little technical, but I will guide you through it. So to install the JavaScript snippet, you'll need to click this. And first, you have to authorize the website where you will put the growth tool. So in this case, we will use awesomechatbots.com. So you'll just have to authorize that. Put the URL here. Let's put awesomechatbots.com. And then you need to click add. But since our website is already here, so we don't have to add that. And then you click next. Here, you will see this code and you just have to copy this and put it in the head of every page of your website. You can send this to your developer and let them do the job for you, but if you manage your own website, I will teach it to you using the WordPress platform. So let's click here, finish. But before that, you can also adjust some settings right here. So here are the visibility settings. You can hide the customer chat, this one, on specific pages, or you can only show it on specific pages that you want. You'll just have to insert here the URL of the pages that you want to omit and where you want them to show. Also, you can change the color of this icon, so you can select your blue or green. So, but the default is color white, and that's fine for us for now. Also, you can change the greeting message for logged in and logged out users. So it will look like this one. This one is for logged in. So as you can see here, I'm logged in already. And also you can show it to different devices, but I suggest that you show it on mobile and desktop. And lastly, you can also alter how they will see the chat window when they go to your website. Okay, so after that, let's now go to our website. Okay, so here we are, and I have already logged in on our WordPress website. So here, to add a code, you will need to go to plugins and add new plugin. Okay, so we're gonna do this the easier way, because you can also add the code directly into the theme editor, but right now I will just teach you the easier way to add the code into your website. So we will search here, insert header, and then you will see this insert headers and footers plugin, and you can install this on your website, and it's free, so you don't have to worry. After installing, you need to activate the plugin. Okay, so now the plugin is activated. Okay, so after installing that, you will see your plugin here in settings, and you can see it right here, insert headers and footers. So let's click that. And then you will just have to paste here the code. So let's go again and copy it, and we will just paste it here, right here. And after that, you just need to click save. And that's it. You can now go to your website and see if the code is working all right. So let's just visit website. And there you go. We can see right there that our growth tool, chat growth tool, is now working. So as you can see here, I have a previous conversation with a chatbot. But if they are new with the website and chatbot, they will receive the welcome message. Okay. So that's it. You can now try and add this amazing feature on your website. And if you have any questions, comment it below and we'll help you with it. Also, we will be releasing more videos and different growth tools that you can use from Manychat, so watch out. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching. Bye!